Hello everyone, this is Mr. H again and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how to find the area of a triangle using the Heron's formula. So when do we use this formula? Let's have a look at the concept. Alright, Heron's formula is also known as the hero's formula. And this formula is used to calculate the area of any triangle using the lengths of the three sides. Alright, this formula right here is what we need to use in finding the area of a triangle given the three side lengths. The S here stands for the semi-perimeter. We'll be able to find the semi-perimeter by adding the lengths of the three sides divided by 2. So A, B, and C stand for the sides of the triangle. Alright, to understand this further, let's have an example. So calculate the area of the given triangle. So we were given the length of three sides. So we have 8 inches, 4.1 inches, and 5.5 inches. So basically the calculation of the area of this triangle, immediately you think of the Heron's formula. So this is basically away from the usual formula that we use in finding the area, which is the base times height divided by 2. Right? Because basically for this given triangle, we were not given the height. Right? So we have a base. We can consider 5.5 as a base, and then we can draw this, right? Because we know that the height is perpendicular to the base, right? But basically we were not given that information. There are a few ways on how to calculate the area of a given triangle, but it will always be dependent on what the given information is. So to calculate the area of this triangle, we need to calculate first the semi-perimeter. So the semi-perimeter is calculated by adding the three sides divided by 2. So we'll have 8 plus 5.5 plus 4.1 divided by 2. The value of semi-perimeter, or S, will be 8.8. Alright, after calculating the semi-perimeter, then we're ready to calculate the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula. And to find the area, we'll use area equals, and then we plug in the values. So square root S, or the semi-perimeter, is 8.8 times 8.8 minus 8 times 8.8 minus 5.5 times 8.8 minus 4.1. So we need to type in all these on your calculator. The exact value of the area is gonna be 10.44942104. That's the exact value. All right. So depending on what the instruction is, if you need to round up or round down depending on the instructions, then you follow that. We can leave our answer as this and remember the unit, so it's going to be square inches. So that's the answer. All right, what can you say about this question? If you think it's easy or average, just let me know by leaving a comment below. For the challenge question, so grab your pen and paper. Calculate the area of triangle ABC. If you have the answer to this question, remember to leave a comment below with your answer. And if you think that this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single math video tutorial. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.